Objective. Promote, yun ako, narong ako. Number 1, provide quality education, embrace technology, encourage research, provide promote, makalimot jud ko provide, embrace, encourage, promote, preserve, or foster. Okay, total na. Provide, embrace, encourage, promote, preserve, and foster. Okay, so get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Provide provide lagi. No. Provide lagi. 1, 2, 3, go. Objective number 1, provide quality education, embrace technology, encourage research, promote community extension, preserve environmentalization or environment, then foster internationalization. Preserve the environment, ay bubuon man kay ko. Oh my God, Lord, tabang. Next, balik sa objective. Provide quality education, embrace technology, encourage research, promote community extension, preserve the environment, foster internationalization. Balik. With the fast. Objective. Provide quality education, embrace technology, encourage